Hey, if you are wondering why your AirPods Pro 3 keep pausing, this could be actually few issues, but in the most cases, like in the 90% cases, it will be all because the wear sensor, this wear detection sensor. So to get rid of it, you will have to open the settings on your iOS device, open the the AirPods settings, and now we'll have to scroll down and go for automatic ear detection and just simply make sure that you turn it off. Now you will have to also put back both earbuds inside the charging case, close lid, open, and input them back into your ears. But sometimes they can also disconnect if the battery is very low, so they will actually make playback stop. And this could be also for the Bluetooth interference when there's like weak connection that can actually pause them. Sometimes the applications issue or the device issue, so I will recommend you to restart your iPhone or close and reopen application that you are using. And sometimes firmware glitches, so we have to also make sure that AirPods have the latest firmware. You can also try to reset them if this issue still appears. That's all my tips. Let me know if one of it works.